the front stretch. And if anybody's interested in a back glass that's not broken, we'll bring it to you. Now this is Luke. Oh, there are too many fans out there trying to get this guy to sky this thing out. And Doug and the female ornament dropper got himself into the corner. Probably a story of his life. Come on for the mud. Root him on. Root him on. Let's go. Try to make a double two here. Let's go. And that's it. But I've heard good things about him. Range from Traverse City. And would like to give you some fireworks to take home.
See how much rust came out of the
It smells beautiful.
Now he's taking the slow and steady approach. The first part kind of scared him to touch. Maybe Doug and the panty dropper might be able to help him out. He might have spare. Come on, Toyota. Oh, doing the high side trick. And it's sort of kind of inching in the way toward the wall. And you might not be surprised by this, but this is not his first time. He's been practicing in his neighborhood for weeks. His neighbors could not wait for this event to happen to get him to go home. That's the home record. SpareParts.com. And it's currently he's doing a spectacular job right now. Josh Paris has got this thing down. He's working the log section. It appears from my view that the only part of the vehicle that is still working correctly is